In this video, I will show you how to share your Steam games using Steam Family Sharing. First, on the borrower's computer, open Steam and sign into their account. Click Steam in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Security tab and make sure Steam Guard is enabled. Next, sign out of the borrower's account and sign in with the account that owns the game. Once again, go to Steam, Settings, Security and confirm Steam Guard is enabled. Now go to Family tab in the settings and turn on Authorized library sharing on this device. After a moment, you will see a list of eligible accounts on that computer. Select the borrower's account and enable the family sharing for it. Click Manage to verify that the device is authorized, then sign out of owner's account and sign back into the borrower's account. Open the library and you will see games from the owner's library. Select a shared game, click Install and choose Installation Location and begin the download. Keep in mind that Steam Family Sharing has some limitations. You can authorize up to 10 devices and 5 accounts. Also, only one person can access a shared library at a time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.